The man spent money to buy a dead body, pretending it was his father, and took it to a private hospital for emergency treatment. He begged the doctors to save his father, saying he would pay whatever it cost. The doctors didn't ask a single question. They didn't even look at the patient, and pushed the body straight into the operating room. Only when they touched the body did they realize it was cold. But the doctors insisted on performing surgery on a dead man, because they knew exactly what the family was thinking. That young man looked like a devoted son, and in a life-or-death situation, he would pay anything to save his father. So it was the perfect time to drain every penny from him. A group of doctors started pretending to work hard,
running in and out,
looking like they were trying to save a life. The chief surgeon came up to the man and handed him a list, telling him his father was in critical condition, and he needed to buy medicine immediately, only from the pharmacy next to the hospital, because many special drugs were only available there. The man looked at the list. It had dozens of medicines. He handed the bags to the nurse, and kept asking what these medicines were actually for. The nurse gave him a cold look, then turned around, and returned the medicines to the pharmacy unopened, scolding the pharmacist, saying the man was an easy target, and next time, they should give him even more expensive medicines. The man had just spent a fortune on the medicine, and right after,
the doctor came out,
asking him for another 500,000 for surgery. The man said he already paid for the surgery when he arrived. The doctor said because his father's condition was critical, they needed to call in a top medical expert, and experts required extra fees. After the man paid another huge sum,
a serious-looking,
well-dressed expert walked into the operating room, while the family waited anxiously outside. Inside the operating room it was completely calm. All the doctors and nurses were just sitting together chatting.